Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist. Today I'm taking you around this Vaneo. It's not a Mini, clearly. It is a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Let's dive in for a closer look. Now this is a 75,000 mile, 54 plate car. We will polish those headlights up a bit before it goes out, but it's just had an MOT. Bodywork it's okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. But the interesting stuff, it happens around at the back. So we've got two sliding doors at the sides. We have two seats in the back. The important bit here is at the back. This allows you to get something with wheels into the back of the vehicle, and there are securing points here. There's another seat belt. There's even a fire extinguisher. Now this folds in by hand. So this folds up like this, and then brings it up and it locks. So now the ramp is up and you can just drop the tailgate like so. Like so even. So that's that. Now it's a 1.9 petrol automatic. Bodywork, like I said, isn't perfect. There are some rust spots here and there. But now we've shown you the back, I'm going to show you around in more detail. So bodywork wise, I mean it's a bit dull, but it's fine. Coming down this side, I think the wheel and tyre are good. There's a few curb marks on the wheel, but nothing really terrible. Down this side of the car, there's a rust spot there, and that's about it, I'd say. Nice big opening doors here. Interior is in pretty good condition. We'll come to that later. Down this side, yeah, this door's looking good. This is stone chips, and that could do with being treated, if I'm being honest. Rear wheel looks decent. This is a big sliding door, and these seats are a bit more narrow than standard seats, but that does allow you to get the wheelchair in between them. So coming round the back then, we have got some rust on this tailgate around the windscreen wiper, and otherwise I think we're okay. Parking sensors. These are aftermarket, being built into the frame for the number plate, but they do beep as you would expect them to. Coming down this side, let's have a look. I think we're okay. Wheel and tyre is pretty decent. There's nothing to report on this side as far as I can see. And then coming down, there's another big, nice big door, another seat. All good there. Driver's door. There's nothing to report. I think it's all okay. Coming around to the front, now we do have a bubble there, a rust bubble there, and this has been knocked, and it's been knocked here. Wheel and tyre look okay, and back round to the front. Let's have a look on the inside. Coming in from the driver's side, then the driver's door card is in good condition. The seats are in good condition. There's no rips or tears, and there's no smell. This is a battery compartment, believe it or not. Let's get in and have a look from the driver's seat. So there are two keys, as you can see. Let's start the car up. So it fires up well, and the lights go out. Now, we have got an aftermarket stereo, Sony, quite a decent quality. Down here we've got all sorts of buttons. This is the electric windows, and these are the rear quarter lights. So over the back, behind that headrest, there's a window that will open, you can just about see it, and close electrically. And the same on the driver's side. So we have various lights, various buttons here. That's the electric windows, demist. I think that's the alarm isolation. Automatic gearbox. The backlight to the speedo, or the mileage, is missing. Let's see if I can see what the mileage is. So with the torch on the phone here, you can see the mileage is 77,869. We're in park and it's got 13 degrees on the temperature gauge, but there is obviously illumination failure of that mileage. So in conclusion then, we have a 54 plate 2004 Mercedes Vaneo that has been made into a wheelchair accessible vehicle. You have the ramp at the back, you have secure points for the wheelchair in the back as well. It's still a four-seater, petrol automatic, it's a 1.9 petrol, and it has done 77,000 miles from new. It's got a reasonable service history, bodywork's average. It's cheap at £2,500 for I think what it is. It's a very useful vehicle for the right person. Come along, have a look, drive it, see if you like it. I think you will. Thank you.